Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to another one of my Christmas videos. Most people just buy their cranberry sauce, but hopefully by watching this video you'll see how simple, quick and easy it is to make yourself, and it tastes so much better than the over-sweetened store-bought cranberry sauce. And here's a list of the ingredients you'll need to make it. There's only 3: cranberries, sugar and water. Right, I'll start the recipe by adding 120 grams, that's 4 ounces of fresh cranberries to a saucepan. Then I'll add 40 grams, that's 1.5 ounces of granulated sugar. And finally 80 ml of water. And that's all the ingredients you need to make this wonderful cranberry sauce. Okay, I'll light the hob and bring it to a simmer. They'll start popping for a while, so just cover the pan until it stops. Now bring it to a slow boil and occasionally stir for 4 minutes. And that's all there is to it. I'll turn off the heat and cover the pan and let it cool a while before transferring it to a serving dish. And there you go, homemade cranberry sauce, simple, quick and easy. A quick taste to make sure it isn't too sweet or tart, and it's perfect. I've made mine a couple of days in advance, so I'll cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate till it's needed. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.